Hey. Hey guys, this is the room tour, and today I'll be broadcasting. Damn. Yeah, so. Okay, so this is the tour of our room. This is my brother's bed. This is my other brother's bed. And down here, there's a lot more stuff. A lot more. This is a bed. You have to put this over there, but it's bigger, but here's my cajon, all the stuff. This is fake though. This is fake. These are the videos. And there's more stuff in here. All my clothes. And stuff in here. A lot more. Over here, there's a closet. Where my clothes. I'm calling it the flashlight. They're dirty. Where you put the dirty clothes. And I'm gonna get my. Yeah, so. Can't find the flashlight, but. Oh my god. Okay, here's my stuff. Oh my god. My stuff up here. All my clothes over there. And there's a rock picture over here. And there's pictures. A lot of pictures. And these are my hats. And this there. This is where you switch the lights on, off, on, off, on, off. My PlayStation here, and then my games. And there's a lot more games. Something you can see. Turn on the light. Wait, I'm gonna do this. There we go. There's a lot more games over here. And there's a lot more. There's my clothes. And over here's my other clothes. That's my backpack. This is where I have my camera with my iPod. Didn't put it up here. More like this. Here. That's it for the tour of my room. For the 100th video, I'll do a talk show. So, well, the video after this one. Yeah, after this one. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the tour of our room. I'm Steve Crafter. Subscribe, like, and comment.